Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about the text tool in Adobe X and how it works. Text is crucial part of any design, whether it's for a website, app or graphic. Let's dive into how you can add and style text in Adobe XD. To start, you can find the text tool in the toolbar on the left or simply press the T key on your keyboard. Once you select it, click anywhere on the artboard. You will see a text cursor appear. Now you can type your text. You can adjust the size of the text box by dragging its corners just like with shapes. If you want your text to fill a specific area, click and drag to create a text box before typing. This is useful when you want to control how the text wraps within a certain width. You can resize the text box by dragging the edges and text will automatically adjust. Once you have added your text, you can customize it by using the properties panel on the right. Here you can change the font size and color. Adobe XD comes with a variety of fonts, but you can also add custom fonts if you like. You can adjust the line height and letter spacing to make your text look exactly how you want it. To align your text, you can use the alignment tools in the properties panel. You can align it to the left, center or right, and also justify the text if you are working with a large text block. If you need to move the text around, just click and drag it to a new position. Another great feature is that you can convert your text to a fixed size or auto width. Fixed size means the text box wouldn't change size no matter how much text you type. Auto width means the box will expand as you add more text. You can also apply background colors or even gradients behind your text by using shapes and layers. Simply place a rectangle or another shape behind your text and adjust the layer position to create a nice design effect. And that's it for the text tool in the Adobe XD. It's simple to use and offers a lot of flexibility for adding text to your design. Try it out by your own and let me know how it works for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.